Volvo C70 attracts attention with its stylish and modern design. Flowing lines, dynamic headlights, and elegant surfaces give the vehicle a prestigious appearance. Both coupe and convertible versions offer elegant aesthetics. In the Volvo C70 Convertible model, the open-able top system allows you to enjoy open-air driving in the summer months. Its superior quality and quick opening mechanism increase the comfort of use. The Volvo C70 T5 offers a powerful and effective engine option. Its 2.5-liter 5-cylinder turbo engine produces 250 horsepower and 360 Nm of torque, providing the vehicle with excellent acceleration and driving dynamics. For performance enthusiasts, the Volvo C70 straight pipe modification improves the sound and performance of the engine. This system delivers a more aggressive exhaust sound and increased power. Leather upholstery, quality coatings, and comfortable seats offer a luxurious experience in the interior. The interior design of the Volvo C70 prioritizes driving comfort and passenger comfort. Features such as a modern infotainment system, navigation, Bluetooth connection, and a high-quality sound system make your driving experience more enjoyable. With the Volvo C70 roof operation feature, opening and closing the top is quick and easy. Volvo's famous security systems are also available in the Volvo C70 model. Features such as pre-collision braking, lane keeping assistant, and adaptive cruise control enhance your safety. We provide information about regular maintenance and service light resetting for the Volvo C70. We share the points you need to pay attention to in order to preserve the performance and lifespan of your vehicle. This video will allow you to discover all the details and features of the Volvo C70. If you are looking for a stylish and performance-oriented vehicle, the Volvo C70 is for you.